How much time does our world have? With pandemics, political unrest, violence, crime, and natural disasters, people are asking, does God even care? Is the Bible still relevant? What does the future look like? What does my future look like? You need to know that the Bible has surprising answers to these important questions. You are invited to learn stunning truths about prophecy, identifying the Antichrist, the mark of the beast, the real rapture, and so much more as we study Daniel and Revelation to help prepare us for these last days. Come be revived and learn God's wonderful plan for your life. The free New Albany Prophecy Seminar begins April 14th. Let's discover together what history shows us about the future. Visit historyofhope.org for more information. That's hisstoryofhope.org.